हाय हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल माय डियर जूनियर। और आज के इस सेशन में हम डिस्कस करेंगे एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द पोएम डेथ बी नॉट प्राउड। ओके, सो let's begin with question number 1. Choose the correct options for the following questions. Okay, question number 1 is who is addressed to by the speaker in the poem. So the options are sleep, B soul, C death, or D none of the above. So the correct option is C death. Okay, question number 2 पे आते हैं from the literary devices which one is used in the poem addressing death. Allusion, apostrophe, simile, or metonymy. So the correct option is B, apostrophe. So what is apostrophe? Apostrophe is a literary device in which we use to address a person who is not present, okay, at that moment, or we address a person who is a kind of personified object. Okay, so that kind of figure speech is called apostrophe. Question number 3 पे आते हैं, which the following characteristics of death is admonished by the speaker in the poem? A, arrogance, B, power, C, charm, or D, fate. So the correct option is A, arrogance. Okay, question number 4 पे आते हैं, who according to the speaker the subject of pity in the poem? A, sleep, B, human beings, C, slaves, or D, death. So the correct option is D, death. Okay, question number 5 पे आते हैं, which of the following have been described as pictures of death? A, poppy and charms, B, fate and chance, C, rest and sleep, or D, none of the above. So the correct option is C, rest and sleep. Question number 6 पे आते हैं, who are the people who often die earliest? A, virtuous, B, kings, C, slaves, or D, sick. So the correct option is A, virtuous. Okay, question number 7 पे आते हैं, which trait of death is referred to by describing it as a slave to fate, chance, kings, and desperate men? Options are death has power over all except these, B, death is independent entity, C, death has no real power, or D, none of the above. So the correct option is C, death has no real power. Okay, now 8th पे आते हैं, which of the following is not a part of the rest company with whom death hangs out? A, poison, B, war, C, sickness, D, desperate men. So the correct option is D, desperate men. Now let's move to question number 9. That is not a better inducer of sleep than which of the following? A, poppy, B, charm, C, both A and B, or D, rest. So the correct option is C, both A and B. Question number 10 पे आते हैं, where will the people be when they will wake eternally? On earth, in heaven, in their graves, D, none of the above. So the correct option is B, in heaven. Okay, question number 11 पे आते हैं, which literary device is used in the last line of the poem? A, polypton, B, simile, C, allusion, or D, paradox. So the correct option is D, paradox. Okay, now let's move to question number 9. What is the central theme of the poem which he wants to convey? Okay, options are A, death is mighty and dreadful, D, death is powerless non-entity, C, death changes fate, chance, and kings, D, none of the above. So the correct option is B, death is a powerless non-entity. Question number 13 पे आता है, the poem Death Be Not Proud belongs to which category of the poetry? A, ballad, B, elegy, C, ode, or D, sonnet. So correct option is D, sonnet. आप लोगों ने sonnet 116 भी पढ़ा था शेक्सपियर का. So that is also a sonnet. Sonnet is a 14 line poem जिसके बारे में मैंने पहले ही बहुत बार बताया हुआ है. So question number 14 पे आते हैं, what is the tone of the poem Death Be Not Proud? A, defiant, B, polite, C, ecstasy, D, none of the above. So the correct option is A, defiant. Okay, question number 15 पे आते हैं, which literary device is used in the line given below? One short sleep, we wake eternally. A, enjambment, B, simile, C, casserole, D, personification. So the correct option is A, enjambment. Okay, what is enjambment? Enjambment is a literary device that is used to carry an कैरी ऑन एन आइडिया टू नेक्स्ट लाइन, ठीक है, एक आइडिया को नेक्स्ट लाइन में वो लेके जाता है इन ऑर्डर टू क्रिएट सस्पेंस और एक्साइटमेंट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल इन टुडेज सेशन. आज हम लोगों ने MCQ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए हैं इस पोएम के. सो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं कोशिश करूँगी जल्दी ही डालने का इसके लॉजिकल बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. सो इफ़ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, आई अगेन रिक्वेस्ट टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. आई विल ब्रिंग यू मोर फ्रूटफुल वीडियोज़ जो कि आपके एग्जाम में बहुत आपको हेल्पफुल होंगे. और अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी बेनिफिट हो जाए. लाइक कॉमेंट करना मत भूलिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग चिल्ड्रन. बाय बाय. कीप स्टडिंग.